Hi, this is Wayne Perry of MarginMate, and I'm here with Hannah from Utah State University. We've just wrapped up the install and the training. Hannah, how do you feel about the system you just put in place?
Really excited. I've been asking for it for about 2 years since Boulder first put it in, and it was easy to do. The staff on site were great, helpful, so I'm excited. It's been great so far.
Good. What do you see as the biggest benefit to the system?
There's so many things. Customer service is the biggest thing. Being able to see real-time stock pricing, getting updated quickly as opposed to maybe just once a day on the tags. Just the option of changing what we display to the customer. I don't know, probably just the biggest thing is customer service, because for us in the college store industry, when we're selling books, millions of dollars worth in 1 week time, and that's about 50% of our business that happens 2 weeks out of the year. And so it's really high value customer service wise, because there's thousands of students in the store at a time. And so being able to do that and also keep data up to date and stuff like that, pricing, is what we're excited about.
Thank you. What would you say to somebody else that would be interested in our system?
Go to alphabetical order by author if you're going to do it. Don't stay by course. This is just ridiculous. But with regards to the system, I think probably just make sure you know the reasons that you're doing it, which for us, all the things that I just listed is why most college stores are doing it. And I think they just need to be informed of how much value there is, and not just say, ooh, like new technology, that's fun. Well, yeah, it is fun, but it's extremely useful. And I think just being aware of your customer needs, and the fact that this was easy to do. I mean, after my boss finally said we could do it, but it was easy to install and easy to work through. So that's what I did.
Good. One final question. Did you work through any ROI type calculations, or have you heard about ROI from other schools?
Yeah, we did. We talked to Mario at RBS and a few other schools. For us, because we're a little bit smaller than those schools, it's not going to be as quick of a return. But we were still okay with that. It was still going to be maybe 2 years or so. But yeah, we definitely did some calculations going into it. It is expensive to do paper tags. So, and they're not very customer friendly where these are interactive. So it kind of eliminates the need, which is nice. It doesn't eliminate the need completely for a mobile solution like RBS is working on, but it definitely kind of bridges the gap until they're able to get there, if that makes sense.
Yeah. So thank you for your time, Hannah.
Yeah.
Appreciate
no
it.
problem.